Have you ever wished you could turn any photo into a fun, eye-catching cartoon in just minutes? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in Canva, step by step. It is so easy. You will be shocked you didn't try it sooner. Whether you want to make your social media pop, create a cool YouTube thumbnail, or you want to just surprise your friends, this trick is going to become your new favorite Canva hack. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer to do it. First, head over to canva.com and click Create a Design. Choose the right size depending on what you're making. It could be a YouTube short, Instagram post, or thumbnail for your YouTube channel. The next step we are going to do is to upload the image you want to cartoonize. Simply drag and drop it into Canva and place it on your canvas. Now for the fun part. Select your photo, then click Edit Image. In the search bar, type Cartoonify. Choose a style you like and adjust the sliders for intensity, detail, and color. Instantly, your photo looks like a cartoon. Once you're happy with the design, click Share and Download. Choose PNG for images or MP4 if you added animations. That's it. Your cartoon photo is ready to share. And there you have it. Your photo turned into a cartoon in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva hacks, and check out my next video where I reveal 5 Canva tricks you probably didn't know. See you soon.